Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to print a world map with country markers. This is simply a four-line code, but the output is really beautiful. So you can see the output as well in the below. So let me explain the code line by line. Then you'll be able to understand what it does. So firstly, we need to import the plotly.express as px. So because we are using a plotly Python library to print this type of graphs. So then I am importing a data frame. So we can also read the data frames which are inbuilt in plotly.express dot data dot gapminder. So this function loads the Gapminder dataset, which contains socio-economic data about various countries over time. So here I am giving a query, year is equal to 2007. So this is a method that filters the dataset to include only the rows where the year columns is equals to 2007. So the result is a data frame containing data for the year 2007 only. So I'm reading the data from this data.gapminder dataset, and I just wanted the data for only year 2007. And the next line, I'm just creating and giving some instructions how I wanted the this pick or fig. So let me uh, assign it to a pig variable. Then px dot. I'm just giving a scatter underscore geo. So this function creates a geographical scatter plot. So the data frame is to be plotted, filter data for the year 2007. And locations I'm giving here is ISO underscore alpha. So that specifies the location on the map will be determined by the ISO.alpha column in the data frame. So which contains ISO 3166 alpha 3 country codes. So basically it is extracting from the data set with this kind of command. So I'm also using color, which is equal to I'm giving continent. The colors, the points on the map based on the continent columns. So the countries in the same continents have the same color. And also I'm giving this one power name. I'm giving it as a country name only. And finally, I'm assigning size is equal to POP. This sets the size of the each point based on the population from the pop column of the dataset. Corresponding country. And the finally projection I'm assigning to natural earth, the which specifies the map projection type to be natural health. So which is the type of a map projection suitable for world maps basically. So finally I'm giving this pig dot show. Then if you enter after this four lines of code, then you can see this beautiful graph with a world map and this dots or bubbles. So you can see when I'm going to this respective bubbles, then I can get the uh, population and also this ISO alpha means the country code, something like that. So here I am at China. You can see it is also giving me the continent name. So since China is from Asia and also it is giving me the population in the year of 2007. So this is 2007 data. So you can see clearly the population in China in 2007 is close to 131 crore. So let me go to India. So India, you can see it is under Asia continent and population is like around 111 crore. And ISO alpha is like the country code is like IND. So let me go back to check some random countries. So I'm going to take one country from South Africa. Okay. Continent is Africa, population is like around 4.3 crore, and the code is like ZAF. So let me take Brazil. So this is how, with the only simple code, importing Plotly library, then just reading the data set from Plotly, Gapminder. So this is a very good data set, especially for geo this continent details, and you can specify the details as per your requirements. Then if you hit fig.show, then if you hit enter, then it will give us all the country-wise data with the continents. So I hope this is really because when I see this code for the first time, I was really literally I was amazed because okay, with 4 lines of code, I'm getting a lot of information about the world. So I thought of sharing this thing with you guys. So I hope you guys are liking this kind of course. So please subscribe the video so that I'll be able to upload these kind of videos on regular basis. So thanks everyone. Bye.